How's it, everybody? Welcome back to my vlog. It's your boy Rick Mar. So today we're gonna go pick up some spray paint, peelable spray paint, because we have to prepare for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna be finishing up my wrap for the Miata. So far we did the hood, the trunk, both doors, driver front fender. We're gonna finish off the passenger front fender and the rear quarter panels, and I think the rear bumper and the front bumper. We're gonna finish it off tomorrow, so we have to buy some paint tonight. Why we're buying some paint is because I'm for the bottom half of the car, like the bottom part of the bumper and the skirts, I'm gonna be spraying it black, so it'll be a two-tone color. You'll see tomorrow, but right now we're focused on getting the paint. So catch you guys at Walmart or Home Depot. Alright, we just got to Home Depot. Hopefully they have it here. Okay, where's the paint? There's the paint. Or there, Peel Coat. That's the one I needed.
Where are you? What color are you thinking?
Gloss Black.
What are you thinking?
The bottom half of my car.
Why?
Because that's the one I wanted. I mean, they only have matte black. Shit. So yeah, they don't have it here at Home Depot. We're gonna go stop by, where? Walmart? Mm-hmm. Driving this beauty today. But I'm not a lady.
You are a lady.
Wow! Just got to Walmart.
Oh, I walk so weird.
Spray paint heaven. Here we go. Where is it? They don't even have it. Oh my god, they don't even have it, babe. Maybe it might be in the automotive section.
Doubt it.
There we go. This is not Waipahu, yeah?
This is Pro City. There's no Waipahu Walmart. This is the only Walmart that they go to.
That might be the Cunha one, yeah?
Probably.
You wanna go to Cunha one?
No, babe. What the heck? He's using all my gas and my miles, and he knows I want to conserve my miles.
It's just 2 miles away.
It's just 2 miles away, but you're using my car and my gas.
I'll give you $5.
No.
$10 gas.
No. You can't replace my mileage.
$12.50.
No.
That's 2 miles only. So we just left Walmart. That was an epic fail. It was the wrong location. It's at a different location, so we might go to the other location if Jazz wants to. Alright, keep you guys updated. So yeah, Jasmine's kind of pissed because we had to use her car to drive all around just for my paint. She didn't want to come to this location, but I told her this is the only location that has it, so they better have it or she'll be pissed. Alright, we're at the auto care. I don't see any paint. Oh, there it is. Oh, please be here, please be here, please be here. Yes! That right there is what I need. Peel Coat Gloss Black. Alright, guess what, babe? I gotta tell you something. So I found the paint and it's locked, but it said press for assistance right here, so I was pressing this the whole time. And it's actually a fucking photo. You're supposed to press it over here. You're supposed to press, look for the fuck button and press it over here. What a fucking fail.
The Walmart associate is on their way.
Oh, it's too early for this shit, but it's a beautiful day in paradise. So we're here at the shop today. Like I said, I'll be wrapping the car. I'll be pulling it in the bay and start wrapping. It'll be only me, so hopefully I get everything done today. We're gonna be wrapping the top part and then painting the rear bottom part. This right here is my car. We already got the hood, the lights, driver fender, driver door. We got the pillars. I did this for extra, but yeah, I already sanded down the front bumper. Paint was all chipping and cracking and stuff, so I had to smooth it out so the wrap won't show it. But yeah, I gotta finish the driver front, passenger front, passenger rear, and the bumpers. Rear bumper and front bumper. I'm gonna redo the trunk because I kind of messed up, and we're gonna do this back panel. Alright guys, this is it. Hopefully I get it done today. Alright guys, so finally I got the whole car wrapped. Sorry I couldn't take much clips, I just did a time lapse of it. Came out pretty good. I had to do it day by day after work, like for a couple hours. So finally got it done. Like I said, I painted the bottom half because it's harder to wrap the bumper areas and whatnot, but I'll show you how it looks like. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. Wrap turned out pretty good. I didn't really prep the dents and whatnot, so you can see all the dents, but it's pretty good. Pretty good experience. Pretty fun to do. You get better the more you do it. At first it was pretty hard, but got the hang of it. Yeah, you can see all the parts where I didn't do body work. It was just a trial and error thing. Probably would redo it again later, but for now this is good right here.